Perfection.
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 Perfection Chain Products has been manufacturing a wide variety of metal products since 1848.
Perfection Chain was founded on quality, first and foremost.
We take pride in our precision manufacturing,
With the goal of producing high-quality chain products.
We are the largest manufacturer of weldless chain in the United States.
along with being a prime distributor of welded chain products, along with chain attachments. Our weldless chain products include jack chain, double loop, single loop, stamp sash chain, plumber's chain, and a wide variety of custom wire forms. We provide prompt and personal service and carry large inventories, which allows us to offer short lead times and quick deliveries.
Large inventory means fast turnaround for our customers.
We will work with you to establish short lead times and lower costs.
We're proud to be made in the USA.
We're proud to be made in the USA.
Our customers are like family.
You are not just a customer, you are part of the Perfection Chain family.
At Perfection Chain, you're not a number, you're a partner. More than anything, you become our family.
We are able to easily adapt to our customers' wants and needs, to exceed and go above and beyond.
Let us customize your experience, whether that is a custom length, custom packaging, kitting, or engineered assemblies.
In our wire form area, we have a series of 4 slides that are able to make many different geometries. We have the ability off of our machines to drop chain to a specific length to meet the customer's requirements and be able to reduce cost as opposed to cutting the chain. We also have a packaging department that can do customized assemblies. We can also cut chain there and also do special packaging for them, inclusive of labeling,
which allows us to supply you with the quality that you expect and need.
Custom products with fast deliveries.
On time.
Our accountability and positive values go a long way throughout the company, and I feel like it's easy to work as a team and really collaborate. Everyone feels they have a hand in production and what's going on. It's a collaborative environment.
People take pride in their work.
It might be cliche when companies say it's about the people, but we have a great group of individuals here that go beyond the call of the norm.
My favorite thing about working for Perfection Chain is the positive values that the company holds at the core of the business.
Just an all-around good group of people to work with. Come partner with us.
We're looking forward to working with you, and that's perfection.
And that's perfection.
Perfection. That's perfection.